Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn about bills of material in Tally. Bills of material is used for manufacturing of any item. Create a new stock item. Click on Configure to enable bills of material in Tally for item. Select Yes to enable bills of material. Bills of material option will come now. Select Yes to create bills of material for stock item. Bills of material is commonly known as BOM. Write name of the BOM for which we are creating BOM. Write unit of manufacture for stock item. Now select stock item name to create BOM. Select stock item and write quantity to create that specific item. These all items and quantity are used to create one Samsung J2. Save the stock item. Now let's create one sales voucher. Select the stock items from the list to create sales voucher. When we select stock item, then the stock will go negative. We have not purchased the selected stock item, so it is showing negative. Select other item also and create sales invoice. Now let's check the stock summary. Both the stock items are showing negative because we have not purchased it. Let's create bills of material. Create a voucher type to create BOM. Create new voucher type naming manufacture. Select stock journal as group. Enable manufacturing journal for BOM. Save the voucher type. Select manufacturing from stock journal. Select name of product and quantity to create bills of material. Consumption list will come automatically as we have right at the creation of BOM. We can also write any scrap material for item if any. We can also write additional cost used for creating item. This will be the final cost for per item of selected item. Now bills of material is created successfully for selected item. Check the stock summary to see the results. Now there is no negative stock because we have created BOM. You can check in details also by entering into stock item. Import all your data from Excel to Tally by Excel for Tally.com. Search Excel for Tally.com in web. Sign up for free to import your data from Excel to Tally. Call us or mail us for any query. Subscribe to our channel. Watch our other videos for help on Excel and Tally. Subscribe to our channel to get latest updates on Tally.